I love Sauvignon.
So do I.
I know. And on May the 1st, it's Sauvignon
Blanc
Day.
And the thing about Sauvignon Blanc is most of the British nation loves Sauvignon Blanc as well. It's the grape and the wine that taught the English how to love wine. I think it's just the best drink of almost any wine in the world.
I couldn't agree more. Now, Oz, here we go. Have a little slice of that.
I would almost say, hey, that's not very much.
I know. We've got four.
Those kind of drinks. I know. Well, I hope your pores will get a bit bigger as we go on.
I've learned. Reading you loud and clear. This is the new Babydoll from the brilliant Yealands. This is epic Sauvignon Blanc.
We've got them here.
We've got them here. From 2024 vintage, Oz. So
and the
beautiful vintage.
The reason for this Babydoll thing is that Yealands is a tremendous winemaker who every good supermarket, every good off-license area seems to have a Yealands wine. Now, this wine is made for bars, for restaurants, and you can see the branding is quite different. Babydoll, nice little. Those Babydolls, by the way, those are little sheep that they use in the vineyards to keep the vineyards. They eat the grass.
They go around nibbling, and
instead of using tractors and machines and chemicals, they use Babydolls.
Well, Yealands are great for that. So Yealands, as you say, they're incredibly visible. They're an amazing icon within New Zealand Sauvignon Blanc production. But they are also highly sustainable. They're forward-looking. They've got this massive aspiration and ambition to be leaders within sustainability. And the Babydolls are part of that. So it's a nice way of articulating the work they do in the vineyard.
What do the chickens
Every
eat?
time I go to Marlborough, there's chickens kicking about, honestly.
What do they eat?
Sort of
little aphids and things like that.
Aphids, little bugs, stuff like that.
Because Yealands, do you know that they were carbon neutral before they even opened? That's their objective. And their objective is to be the most sustainable winery in the world. You go to the winery, it's a wonderful winery, by the way. The whole roof is solar panels and always was.
I love it.
But you've already drunk yours.
I've had it.
Just drunk yours.
I've had it.
Let me just try mine.
It's passion fruit. It's gooseberry. It's bright. It's bold.
It's zing.
Elegant.
It's zesty. And I think it's slightly salty.
Little bit of salinity, little bit of salty sea.
Do I have to throw this away?
Well, you can do whatever you want to do with it.
I really don't want to throw it away.
Nice, not the wine.
Oh, bigger pour.
Come on then.
That's more like it.
This is,
no, stop it, stop. I said a big herbal. Look at this.
Now look at this. This is Yealand's iconic Sauvignon Blanc. So stepping away from Babydoll, this is the one that you will see first and foremost. Just enough there, Ross? Is that
just enough.
Give it a swirl. Come on, give it a decent swirl.
But the thing about this Yealands wine is you can see it's widely available. It's at a decent price, and it absolutely always delivers. And there are two reasons for that. Firstly, the winemaker. Now, this is a wonderful woman called Nat.
Exactly.
She is. Stop it.
Look, come on, you can swirl around, you'll find out.
All that wasted. That could have gone somewhere where it was welcome, straight down there. She's a fantastic, wonderful, ebullient kind of woman. She studied music, actually. She didn't study winemaking initially.
No.
She plays the double bass. She's got this fantastic double bass. And she plays music to her wine in the barrels and in the tanks and the things. But the crucial thing about her is she's a tremendous believer in Sauvignon Blanc. And to make really great Sauvignon Blanc, year by year by year, as she does at Yealands, you've got to believe.
Got to love it. You've got to be all about it.
Because wine buffs and wine critics often try and do down Sauvignon Blanc. The reason is because this is the popular grape. This is the radical grape. This is the people's grape. And wine buffs and wine experts can't bear it when something is so easy to drink, so enjoyable, so uncomplicated.
It's fun. It's great. And Nat herself, Natalie's amazing, where she... what did we do? We went down the Thames actually on a barge drinking Sauvignon Blanc about a year and a half ago, something like that. And she's full of colour. She wears bright clothes. She embodies what Yealands, what the wines here are all about.
Embodies what Sauvignon Blanc from New Zealand is all about.
Yeah.
But just before we finish with that,
come on,
you keep going. Salt again.
There is salt.
And the salt is absolutely crucial because these vineyards here are in an area called Awatere. Now, Marlborough is quite a big area of the South Island of New Zealand. The Wairau Valley is the main area. There's one area further south, open to the sea, absolutely open to all the southern winds, open to all the fogs, open to all the storms. That's called Awatere, and their vineyards are on the Awatere, which is the most coastal vineyard in New Zealand and one of the coldest vineyards in New Zealand. So you get lots of sun. You always get sun in New Zealand, but it's really cool. Everything's zesty and crisp and bright. And you get the salt, the sea fret. It's so close to the sea. The sea fret, you're taking my way away again.
Come on.
The sea fret actually comes into the vineyards, and I think you can taste the sea fret in the wine.
So that wine there is a combination of Wairau and Awatere, and you get that fruit from the Wairau, you get that freshness and that mineral and herbaceous saline quality from the Awatere.
Mostly Awatere, 75%
And now,
Awatere.
heavily moving again.
100%.
There we go.
The Sea View Vineyard. Why is it called a Sea View? Because the sea is absolutely there. The coldest part of the vineyard, it's on top of the cliff. You stand at the edge of the vineyard and the sea is there.
This is their reserve, and so it builds up more and more. Exactly that. You get that salinity, that extra depth of flavour, that extra intensity. It's like this wine number 2 that's just dialed up an extra couple of notches. Everything's brought up. The concentration's exceptional. The zingy salinity is still there,
and there's a richness here. It's a richness. It's not a sugary richness at all. It's like a really good citrus fruit, which is rich as well as citrus. And it's. I think it's just almost a celebration of green.
Yeah.
Because green, I think, is one of the great colours of nature. It's the colour of springtime. It's the colour of summer. And I think that greenness personified is what you get in a wine like this.
That little element of pepper, that lovely herbaceous, peppery character, savoury element just beginning to roll in, leaf. It's a really lovely concentrated,
and the fruit is lime and it's green apples and it's green gauge plums. It's all those sort of things.
Now
really
here we
nice.
go, Oz. We're going single vineyard.
You can throw that away.
You've got used to my format here, you see.
Yes, I have.
Sloshing you away. Now, here we are.
Now
so
this is the Sea View Vineyard.
This is Sea View, Sea View, Sea View.
The closest vineyard in New Zealand to the sea.
So premium wine,
green as
made by Yealands, very much of its place, 13% alcohol.
By the way, the 2024 and 2025 vintages have been two of the best vintages that New Zealand's ever had.
Exactly.
So we've got all of those in the market at the moment, 24 and 25. So it's a great time to go and enjoy New Zealand wine.
There's a finesse to this. There's a luxuriousness, a shine to this that is entirely unmucked about with. It's so of its place. The salinity is there. The more intense citruses.
Much deeper, isn't it? Much deeper. This is what Nat says. This is the one she likes to eat, to drink with food.
Yeah.
I would say the whole lot would go brilliantly with food. But you can get that sense of place. Yeah. This, the Sea View Vineyard. You can feel that cold Southern Ocean right there. The winds coming up from the Antarctic into your face and bringing with them salty air into the vineyard. You get it all in the glass.
The savoury, grassy, herbaceous edge to it, intense concentrated fruit. They're epic wines. So anyone that's not in love with Sauvignon Blanc or thinks, I've tasted Sauvignon Blanc, I've had it. We've got 4 here from the same producer from a region that is spread out, but is kind of from one area. And the diversity in these 4 has been incredible, hasn't it? The journey across the 4. And it's not a bad afternoon. That's pretty good.
I know which 3 bottles I'm taking home.
Exactly.
I know which 4 I'll take home.
Come on.
But it is an example of great vineyard, really committed company, really committed, talented winemaker, making wines that just please everybody who opens a bottle of them. Good stuff.
I'm going to finish as I started. I love Sauvignon Blanc.
So do I.
This is just one of our Wine Alive Sipping Series episodes. For more content, head over to our blog at wine-alive.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We hope that you sip splendidly.